Okay, right, question 10. Now we've got this here, kitchen cupboards, lovely. So we've got the same height, and we bought in different widths. There's the widths there, okay? 5 of these cupboards can fit exactly as shown below. So we've got these here. Now work out the total length of this wall. So we simply need to add these up. It's not difficult, isn't it? So we've got 600, 900, 900, 600, 300. Okay? So, yeah, I mean, you can line these up if you want. You could do 6, couldn't you? Plus 9, plus 9, plus 6, plus 3. Okay? So add these up. That's 15, that's 24, that's 30, that's 33. Okay? So obviously, you know, these were all representing hundreds, weren't they? So adding all them up, you should have had 3,300 meters, millimeters, sorry. Okay? Now, they are asking, right, for this in meters, okay? They're asking for it in meters, which obviously is really important that we get this into meters now. Now, what I would do here is, first of all, rather than going straight to meters, is maybe change it to centimeters first, okay? Now, we know 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, okay? So, to work out how many centimeters are in here, I just need to see how many 10 millimeters are in here. So I'm dividing it by 10. Okay? So divide by 10 and you get 330 centimeters. Okay? So that's how many centimeters are there. And then of course I know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So to work out how many meters this is, I see how many hundreds are in here. So divide by 100. 330 divided by 100. Well, there's 100 goes into 300 3 times, isn't it? So it'll be 3.3 meters. Excellent. Now, the second part, part B, it says, here is a wall of Susan's kitchen. She wants to put cupboards along the wall. Susan wants to fit as much as, of the space as possible. Describe 2 ways that she can do this. But of course, you've got to make sure that it says here that the cupboards are different, aren't they? I read that earlier. The cupboards have got to be different. So then it says you must state what cupboards you select and why you cannot fill the whole wall with cupboards. So I think obviously I'm going to turn the page over here, but if we just start off with the highest ones here, we've got 1200, okay, 1000, 900. Okay, so that adds up to, if you add them up, that's 2,200, that's 3,100, and then the 600 will give me 3,700. 3,700. Now, 3,700, I can't add any more. I can't add them on because it would be too much. So that'll give me 3,700 millimeters. So we're close, not quite. The other approach you could do is 1,200, 1,000, 900, and instead of the 600 you could choose the 4 and the 300. Okay, the 400 and the 300, and that will give you a little bit more space that's filled, 3,800. So we've selected 2 ways, okay, that are pretty close to the overall size. Now, why can't we fill the whole space? Well, of course, hopefully that's obvious to you. Why can't you fill the whole space? Well, look at the space here, and it's got 30 millimeters as well. Now, of course, all the cupboards are built, okay, to the nearest 100 millimeters, okay. In other words, there's no 30 millimeters to add on the end. They were all, of course, ending in hundreds. So there's no way we can actually fill the space exactly.